Hey guys, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I'm going to show you how to make this fabric washable face mask. A lot of people are concerned about it and feel like they need something to wear out and about these days with the COVID-19 virus if you get out, and so you want to be protected. So what you need for this, and it's really simple and it comes apart really easily, is you need 4 ponytail little rubber bands. You need a coffee filter and a piece of fabric. You can use a pillowcase, a t-shirt, an old t-shirt. You can use a bandana. I just happen to have this cutie wootie little ladybug fabric that I cut in half. So I'm going to show you the basics of it, and you can check it out and see if you think it would work for you. So first, I'm going to just show you the rubber bands. You need to put them inside themselves like this, and then pull like that, and it goes together. So I'm going to show you again. Put them inside themselves, and then you pull, and they stay together. So you got that? Okay, so you're gonna need that for each side. Okay, so this piece of fabric is a half of a fat quarter, but right now it really measures about 10.5 by 18. If you wanna know what I'm using, I cut that in half, made this one, I'll make this one. You can use a bandana, as I said, you can use whatever. So take your coffee filter, you can cut it if you want to, or just fold it, and you're gonna put it in the middle of your fabric. You're gonna fold, this is no sew by the way, you're gonna fold in one end and then fold it again like this. And I did press my fabric so it was easy and not all wrinkled. Fold that down and then fold this one down. Okay, now the next step is to take your ends and take your rubber band, and you're gonna fold it down in here about, so you have about 6 inches according to the CDC, 6 inches. So about 6 inches. I'm not going to get too worked up about it. So about 6 inches. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more. All right, and then I'm going to put my rubber band twisted around as if I'm wearing it in my hair. Okay, so then I'm going to take this in and stuff it in. Now believe me, it does not stay in, because this is something that you can take apart and wash. So I'm going to fold this one in. I'm going to take the other end. I'm going to push it in. We want about 6 inches. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to fold it around, push my tail right back in here, just like you would a ponytail. Then I'm going to flip it one more time, twist it one more time. All right. Then I'm going to fold this in inside the mask. All right. Now you take these two and you put them around your ears. If it pops out, just push it back in. It really is not designed to live there. So now you have your mask. I'll show you how you put it on. Once you have your mask created, if your ends pop out, just stick them back in between your fabric. Take your ends and put it around your ear, just like that. And then you have your mask. Now one thing that you want to do is make sure you wash your hands before you put your mask on, and make sure that you wash this mask, and then you can rebuild it. Really simple, really easy, no sew. So be safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.